Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wind in Unity. Start by adding a wind zone or custom script to the scene, then orient it toward your actors. Adjust strength, turbulence, and frequency to match desired gustiness. Use particle systems with external forces and tweak drag or gravity modifiers. Test with foliage shaders and rigid body objects to refine interaction until the motion feels natural and responsive for gameplay. Open the Game Object menu and add a wind zone component, then choose directional or spherical depending on scope. Position and rotate the wind zone so it's forward vector points where you want wind to blow. Tweak main strength, turbulence, and pulse magnitude to create steady breeze or erratic gusts. Use play mode to iterate quickly and observe how particles and trees respond, adjusting values until the movement feels right for your scene. Attach external forces to particle systems to make smoke and leaves respond to wind naturally while leaving base particle behavior intact. Create a short script to vary wind strength and direction over time, using Perlin noise or sine waves for organic motion. Reference wind zone parameters or apply force directly to rigid bodies for physical interaction. Keep values editable so you can fine-tune gust frequency and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.